G'day viewers, Spring Guide back again. So I'm using this controller, CNC controller, tonight to run just two servo motors. There's that one driver down there, the blue one, another driver there for a smaller motor, the black one, and I'm just running this well, basically just a simple machine I put together running two servo motors because I'm an old man. I can't be hand coiling, winding my left arm, winding springs around a mandrel for the rest of my life. So we have to move into there's the wire, there's the mandrel, the wire catch, the servo motor down there. It's only DC servo motor, nothing special. The screw drive, da-de-da-de-da, if I want to do pitch out for compression springs, and it's driven by a tiny little servo motor down here. So let me just try and do this tonight. There's no automatic wire feed in, so it's just me pushing the wire in as I do with the hand coiling under the wire catch. And over here I shall press start. And we get this. Okay, and it rewinds and it moves out, and old man cuts it with the nip X. Perfect. So that's our blank spring before we have to do hooking. Of course, automatically it runs back. Okay, so yeah, all right. So I just need to make some. There's a sample spring there. So I'm doing the spring blanks, and I'll use the hooking pliers to finish off the sample, the hooks. Now that's what's happening this week. We'll do another one. We'll push the wire in by hand. Today we'll push the wire in by hand. Good to go. Come over to the controller, press the start button. Oh, and off we go. Of course, all automatic so far. Now, good boy, where's my cutters? Oh, there's my cutters. Okay. And thank you. I've only got 4 seconds to cut it before it goes back automatically to the start. Now, that's today. Next week, I'll be putting on automatic roller wire feed and automatic cutter, which is fine because this you would have seen in the last videos, a couple of last videos, SMC controller, 5-axis, XYZ, 4 and 5, well it's actually A and B. So I'm using 2 axes here. I'll use 2 more axes for the wire feed and the cutter, and it'll be fully automatic. So as an old man with rheumatoid arthritis coming on, I need to do this sort of thing to stay in business. Now, I recently picked up a MIG wire feed roller system from this guy here on eBay. It's just awesome guy. It's just magnificent, magnificent service, magnificent product. And this little baby here, I'll be putting a servo motor on to drive the wire in to start the coiling. It's just fantastic. I love the Chinese people. They're just awesome business people with an awesome product. But like back in the 80s when the Japanese had great stuff, you know, Toyota, Subaru. Chinese now know how to do quality. This guy, if you want a wire feed mechanism, he's got to do with welding. It's actually a welding expert, this guy. Yep. And he's just fantastic. So anyway, next week I shall show you this fully automatic wire feed and automatic cutoff. Yeah. So yeah, return on investment. Wow. How much did it cost? This little baby, $500 USD. No, AUD. Sorry, not USD. AUD. A couple of motors and drivers. Another $800. It's maybe about $2.5 grand all up. Return on investment. I can do this for the rest of my life without having to worry about my elbows, my wrists. It's just brilliant. Return on investment, awesome. Thanks guys. I'll see you next week.